Okay, so let's start. So after this breakout, gold is bullish and weekly candle is also closing in bullish direction. On daily time frame, price is giving us a breakout structure. So now this is our market structure shift. So even if gold drop to this area, it can be buy. In daily time frame, our ABC wave has started. This is our A, B, and this will be our C. And most of the time C will be equals to the A. So the next target will be 5385, this area. So we can say that after this breakout, now gold is heading towards 5385. Now let's see. Let me just hide this trend line. Okay. So in daily time frame, gold is bullish and next target can be 5385. In 4-hour time frame, we already had this here. We already had this breakout structure and this was all a retracement. We had this last breakout structure here and yesterday gold have finally gave us a change of character in 4-hour time frame. So this downtrend is now over and currently gold is sitting near resistance area of this zone. So there will be a possible small retracement toward the previous high, which is this zone here, this area. So after the change of character, this is the nearest area from where gold can again pump. So first a drop and pump. On the flip, you can enter in buy. First buying POI is the area of 5046 and 5018. This area is good for buy. On the retest, you can buy here and your target will be first this resistance and second will be this 5384, which is nearer about this supply area here. This will be our target. And here you can clearly see that above this resistance, there is nothing in the market. Market just retested and pumped massively. So on the break of this resistance directly, I will be buying on retest. Before that, it can retest the previous high. This is our buy zone and on the flip, this is also our buy zone. So we have two conditions. First is this retest and second is directly break and retest. On the both cases you can buy here. And yesterday I told you guys not to FOMO here because it was a very important zone. Price need to close two candle above and then after you on the confirmation it will be much better entry, and if this entry holds and we have a massive breakout, then our next target will be a possible new ATH near about 5601. So I will be holding this trade. This will be your swing entry. So okay, so this is our current gold condition. Gold is extremely bullish now because as you can see, this is our first breakout structure, this is second breakout structure, and this is a retracement. After retracement, market have shifted to bullish again. So this retracement is over now and price can continue moving upside. I was hoping price test this area, but instead of testing this area, price is moving from this retest here, this candle. So it doesn't matter what it did here. The matter is now we have a structure change after testing area. So on the retest we can expect a buy momentum to kick in towards these two areas. Now let's see silver. Silver have also created a breakout structure here. So on the retest, this can be also buy. First target will be this high and second will be this one here. We don't have a, see this is our last breakout structure. Price was rejecting from here, but this rejection headed towards this zone on the test. I was expecting that price reject here, give us some little bit lower entries, but instead of going lower, we now have a change of character, so we will follow this retest here. BTC is bullish. It just need breakout above this resistance here. Above this resistance on retest you can buy. DXY is bullish. We have a multiple bullish rejections here. First is this one. We have 4-hour change of character, so it will be going for the daily time frame area, which is this one here. Retest here and it can again pump till this area. GBP is bearish. As we were expecting, it retested this zone here. This was just a liquidity area. It says 4-hour time frame. So this is retracement, this is drop, breakout structure, this is structural area. This is test, and now it is going downside. This will be your target. GBP is bearish, and so is Euro here. This is rejection area. Next target will be this low. So this week we have a bullish structure on gold, bullish structure on silver, and bullish structure on BTC. And all the currencies are looking weak. AUD is going good. Let's see if it fills this condition, we can go buy. So right now currencies are weak and gold and silver BTC is bullish. So we will be watching for this two scenario. Buy here at 5046 to 5018, and second in scenario of flip above 5110. And if you see this, we have a different closing on Onda here. See this, price closed above 5108, and on the FX open it is near about 5084. So possibly there is a chance of primary rejection, and the same area at here, and this is our buy zone. We will be watching for buy here. Let's see more smaller time frame to get a good entry. Okay, we have an order block here around 34 to 5007, and the massive area is this one here. Just a liquidity on the retest. This can be first zone, but I will wait for this area here around 5050 to 5045. Here. This is your breakout structures. Possibly it can hold, but this area is more strong. It can sweep this liquidity before going upside. This is also a breakout structure. First I will watch this area. If this area holds, then I will watch for 1 minute to get entry here. If this area doesn't hold, I will watch this area now 5050 for a good entry, and this will be swing. On the flip, it will be just retest and pump. Monday can open with a possible reaction is bullish, but if it opens with a gap down, then this area will be buy zone. If it opens with a gap up position, then on the retest it will be going for the high. So that's it for this week, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Monday gold's rocket possible, but it will give you entry of this retest. Just look at this price. Rejection, retest and pump, direct retest and pump, again rejection, rejection, rejection. So this is a not area which can be break in one shot. Price will at least reject to the previous high, and on the buy we will be watching this high. Can we expect a swing entry? Yes, we can. On the flip of this, you can swing long gold till 5384. There is nothing in between. See this? On the flip, I will be going for long for this target. If we have any price action like this, then price face difficulty to go there. See, this is the price action. But once we don't have any price action and there is a massive FVG there, like this one, then price can repeat the same thing. It will pump massively at that zone, and we don't have any price action here. This is the daily time frame and 4-hour time frame area. See this? So on the flip, it will pump with a good volume here till this area. Maybe we can see some pump and retest, again pump and then retest, and again high momentum. Why PA is worse this 2 month? It happens every year on January and February. Price action is like this. It will continue one-sided trend, and most of the time this is the time where smart money accumulate their positions. If you see this in previous year, look at this. This is 2 month. In previous year, see this area. January, February. The same thing. After that, massive accumulation. This is September, November, December. This is January, February. Accumulation. See this area. January and February. Accumulation. Then breakout. So this first 2 or 3 months there will be a accumulation part. See this February month. If you see this in weekly time frame, January, this is January, February pump, then again this is the same area. So from March we will be getting good entries. It depends if we close above this high, because this is all just a retracement from this high. We need to close candle above it. Price is still in retracement. See this? Possible we see this kind of accumulation. Also there is possibility we see this kind of accumulation. Our work is just go and take entries for the intraday purpose. If we are getting profit from this move, it's over. It's over for today. Okay? If we are taking profit in this move, and that's it for that day. Any other questions? No questions? Oh, the latest news like multiple 8:30 p.m. news yesterday. Which website do you recommend? I use Financial Juice. This website. Forex Factory is also good for the news. So there is no way that gold is going to 3000. Currently, we can't expect it to drop below this low now, because there is a breakout structure here. If it want to go downside, what it should be doing here, that it will break this zone now and retest here. This is the only condition now it can drop below this low, as this is now bullish structure. This is the only condition in which gold will be bearish. It need to break this low now. This will be the change of character, and then this move will be just a liquidity grab. But before this, I am not bearish now. I will be watching gold for this area around 5384. And just look at this. Price is continuously making higher highs and higher lows. How can we short here? Look at this. Not a single lower low. See? You can't short this one. Sir, will America attack Iran in weekend? How can we know, brother? How can we know? We can just say that if this happens, then we can trade charts. This is all a global news and conflicts. We can't predict it. Our work is just to play what is on the chart. If news comes, it will just inject volatility in the market. Or is it due to tariff? Yes, it is due to tariff right now. Let's see, my expectations are good right now from good that it can touch this area because the bottom structure is now bullish, and once this resistance break, it have massive zone for pump. This is the current resistance. It need to close candle above 5110. Once a 4-hour candle close above, it will be moving like this. See this? And if you see this green zone here, if I extend it, look at this. Rejection, retest, pump. Same thing here. Rejection, retest, again rejection, break below, retest, drop. That's why this green zone is very much important. And it is our previous high too. So this area should hold now. I am planning on buying around 5070 to 5075. So the possibility here, I will be waiting for this 5050 to 45 area. Bro, is it mind game only? Yes, possible it is mind game. But we can just watch and act accordingly. This is the first zone from where you can buy gold. This area should hold. If this area breaks, then on the retest you can short. See? On the retest you can short. But before this area breaks, there is a high possibility that market will give you this kind of move. So okay, that's it for this week, guys. Hope you understand this week's plan. See you in the next week with a new